you how I prepare the carrots. I'm sure you guys have got your way of how to do it, but for me, I'd like to use what I call it, my secret weapon in the kitchen. So this way it makes everything faster. It's much easier. So of course, when you're making the filling for your spring rolls, it has to be nice and fine. There we go. So basically, just put it in. So this is very sharp, by the way. Look at that. How fine is that? I mean, this is also great when you're making your salad and things like that, because you've got different shape and different sizes. See how quick is that one? It's amazing, right? Right, so this is what I call it, it's my secret weapon. Okay, there we go. So when it's really small, you can just put it at the back. So it's actually, I can just prepare this carrot really finely for just like a minute, and it's just amazing. And look at that one. You see, it's just like when you try to eat it. Delicious. It's just like this. You can just feed your kids already, just like that. You know, it's crunchy. It's colorful as well. We're on our last carrots now. As you can see, it's just really, really quick and easy, isn't it? So there we go. So we're just gonna make sure that we don't have a lot of waste. There you go. So when it's really, really small, there you go. You can just put it at the back where you eat it. Put it at the back if you want to. There we go. So it's ready. Perfect. So let's have a look at our carrots. How beautiful is that carrot?